So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So let's start the analysis with SGX again. And we have the expiry yesterday. Now we're entering into the new expiry. So looking at the SGX, we can see almost 170 points gap up, almost 1%. So that's a good move. And market is trading near 16,800. Very, you can see that that's a good move happening in the morning session. Now let's see the Nifty chart first. Okay. So as we have discussed earlier, there was a good gap up, okay, and then there was a small correction till this support, and then market again shows a good, recovery from that lowers, right? Okay, now market is probably opening somewhere here. So both the gaps has been filled now, okay, and market is looking to go up from here. Now let's see the OI. So simply a cycle might be starting for Nifty, right? So there was too long unwinding, and then again market started with a long. So that's a good reversal yesterday we have. So probably market is entering into another new cycle on the long unwinding. So that's a good sign. Now looking at the OI for 9th June. So because there's a good build up happening. So again, we can see that 17,000 is the resistance on the higher side. Higher addition was at 16,600 yesterday. But probably if market is opening with a gap up, so there will be a lot of unwinding happening, might be at 16,600, 700, right? These two strike prices, and they might be shifting to these levels, right? So एक bullish move यहाँ से बनता हुआ दिख रहा है निफ्टी के अंदर, and 16,500 would be a good support, as we can see that there's a good addition on the put side, right? Okay, that's for Nifty. Let's start with the bank Nifty. Okay, so same chart pattern happening in the bank Nifty also. Good move and then correction, and then see you can market is going up, showing upside move. So positive move, but on the higher side again we can see 36,000 is the immediate resistance that we are facing, and then on the technical charts we'll see the what are the further levels, right? On the lower side 35,000 is a good support. Market is a bit consolidating from from past few days. We need a breakout on these levels so that market can move up, right? Okay. Bank Nifty में अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर, so okay, so OI levels are very very low as of now, but still market seems to be moving up. So anyhow it has to break 36,000 for further upside move. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so yes, we can see that 36,000 and 36,500 are the two resistance on the higher side. 35,500 and 35,000 is the these two supports, right? So we can see these levels on the lower side. Okay. So that's a call on Bank Nifty. So both indices looks positive as of now by looking at the OI data and the technical charts. Now if we see go with the contribution yesterday. So on the sector side, you can see oil sector is contributing a lot as the lines moved up, and then IT stocks contributing on the higher side, right? Okay. Bit negative on the private banks and auto and NBFC, right? Now let's see stocks trading in a ban list. So no stock as of now. Now let's talk about the stocks. So one again will go with the from the trap indicator. If we get some stock, okay. So we have discussed Bajaj Auto yesterday. So today we can simply go with the Reliance because we have seen a good movement in the Reliance. So let's see that Reliance first. Okay, so as of now, the good move yesterday, but that is because of the short covering. And if we see Reliance here, so we'll see the chart also. Okay, so there was a good shifting happened from 27 to 28, so that's why it came into the trap indicator, right? Now on the higher side, we can simply see that the highest call is at 2,800, so that is the resistance we are looking for, and 2,700 is a good support. So good level to buy Reliance as of now. Any dip towards 2,700 could be a good buying opportunity, right? 2,650 could be a support for the stock, right? So Reliance looks good on this derivative data. Now let's see on charts. Okay, so that's a good move. So market is moving and then small correction and then moving up. So 2,650 would be a good support as of now. So that's a good stop. Okay, so on the higher side, 2,800 could be the level, and we can see that there is a selling pressure, around 2,800. So decent move can be anticipated, at least like 2800. So we can simply go with the Reliance. Okay. First stock. Now that is coming from the trap indicator. Now let's see from the build-up cycle also. Okay. 20, we'll do the 14. We have discussed Ashok Leyland also yesterday and see that moves up to more than like 2.4%. Gujarat Gas probably we have, yes, discussed few days back. Okay. So stocks looking good. Probably we can go with BHCL also. Okay. About Indian ABB, we are not taking because of the illiquidity issue that we have. Okay. But the BHCL looks good. Coforge looks good. So we can go with the Coforge. Okay, yes. The stock has corrected a lot, and from the lower side, it is showing a good build-up coming up. Yes, so less of short we have seen since long. Again, you can see there's a long and unwinding and then long happening. So that's a good cycle started in this stock also. So Coforge looks positive from here. So on the higher side, as soon as it will break 3900, we can see that the stock might moving up. 3800 would be good stock or support. So let's wait for the stock. If the stock shows correction towards 3800, we can take it. And if that breaks 3900, then we can take a trade, right? So wait for that. It is in the trading in the middle, right? Okay. And if that breaks on the higher side, on the lower side, then it will give you a move, right? Okay. So that's the thing, right? Okay. So Coforge looks positive, but we'll wait for the levels, right? Okay. Fine. So that's all. So let me just summarize it. So Nifty 17,000 is a resistance, right? 16,500 is support. Okay. So that's the level for Nifty. Bank Nifty specifically, you can simply see that we have seen 36,000 is a resistance on the higher side, and 35,500 and 35,000 is a good support. Even we can see that higher call option addition on 36,500, right? Okay, that is the thing. Now contribution from the oil sector and less contribution or probably negative contribution, I would say, from the private banks on the index, right? Yesterday. And now talking about the stocks that we have discussed is Reliance. Okay, Reliance looks positive, so we can simply go and take a trade on the higher side. Then second is Coforge. Coforge has corrected a lot, and after that it's showing a rebound. So and a good cycle seems to be starting in this. So both the stocks in the positive list, right? Okay. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.